Good morning, children. I hope everyone are fine, right? So, in the last class, what we discussed that is the exercise number 4.2. Okay. So, today we are going to discuss about the exercise number 4.3. In that, we are having a till now we did a addition of a fractions and a subtraction of a fractions, right? So, today we learn multiplication of a fraction. How to multiply the fraction numbers, that will we learn today. Okay. So, start the exercise number 4.3. You will come to know that how to multiply here. Okay. Start exercise number 4.3 here. The first main, what is the first problem here? 3 into 4 by 5. Okay. So, if nothing is there in the denominator, say here we are having only 3 number, right? So, if nothing is there, nothing they given here in the denominator, then there is always 1 is present. Keep it in your mind. Okay. So, if nothing is there in the denominator, it's understood that the 1 value is in the denominator. Okay. So, write here a 1. Okay, that will understand. That is a basic thing we have to know that one. If nothing is in the denominator value, then there should be always 1. There should be always a 1 value. Okay. Now multiply numerator and denominator. You have to multiply here. Okay. So what is the numerator value? 3 and 4. So multiply 3 and 4. What is the value? 3 4s are 12. Okay. Next, denominator you have to multiply. 5 ones are 5. So what is the answer? 12 by 5 is. Okay. Let's go for the B problem. What is the B one? 1 into 2 by 7. I told if nothing is there in the denominator, then there should be always 1 present. So now multiply numerator and numerator. What are the numerator and numerator here? That is 1 and 2. 1 2s are 2. Next 1 7s are 7. What is the answer? 2 by 7 is the answer. Let's go for the C one. That is 0 into 1 by 5. Okay. 0 into 1 is 0. Divided by 5. Anything by 0 is, you are dividing a 0 by any number, then answer is always 0. Okay. So the answer is here 0. Go for the D problem. What is the D one they given here? 1 by 25 into 25. Okay. So here 1 is there. Now multiply. Numerator 125 are 25. 25 ones are 25. Both are having a 25 and 25. We can divide, right? So this is a division only. This is called as a division only. 25 ones are 25 ones are. What is the answer? 1. 1 is the answer. E. 9 by 5 into 35 by 1. Okay. So if there is any cancellation is there, okay, we can cancel like this values. Numerator to denominator we can cancel, but we can't cancel the denominator and numerator and numerator. Okay, we can cancel to the numerator to denominator, but we can't cancel the values to numerator and denominator to denominator. Okay, see here, if any fraction is in the form of like this, in generally I am writing here, that is a 9 by 5 into 5 by 9 by 5 and here 5 by 7 is it. Okay, we can cancel like this. Okay, or a cross like this. Like this also we can cancel it. 5 and 5 get cancelled. If there are a, see here, whenever we are doing a cancellation, that two values should be in a same table. If they are in the same table, then only we can cancel the values. Otherwise we can't cancel. Okay, just we have to multiply and write the values. See here, whether cancellation is there, whether these two are in the same table. No, that's why I directly multiplied and written here. Okay. So if there are that two values are in the same table, then only we can cancel. Otherwise we can't cancel the values. Okay. So here 5, 35. We can cancel for a cross and like this. Means only we can cancel numerator and denominator value. We can't cancel the numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. We can't cancel the values like that. Okay. Only we have to cancel the values numerator and denominator. See here 35 is in the numerator and 5 is in the denominator. We can cancel. Cross. Okay. So here 5 ones are, this one 5 sevens are. What left here in the numerator? In the numerator 9 into 7 left. Right now 9 into 7 is 63. Here 1 into 1 is 1. This is the answer. Like this we have to do the multiplication of a fraction. Okay. Let's go for the next problem. 7 into 2 by 28 and here 1. Here also observe 7 and 28. Both I have in a one same table. That is a 7 table. Yes. Then cancel here. 7 ones are 7 fours are. Okay. So again here 2 is there and 4 is there. In the numerator 2 is there. In the denominator 4 is there. Again 2 and 4 are in a 2 table. Right. So we can cancel now. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So what left in the numerator? In the numerator 1 into 1. In the denominator 1 into 2. So what is the answer? 1 by 2. Okay. Getting right? Only we have to cancel the values for numerator and denominator. If both are in the numerator, we can't get cancelled. Okay. We just multiply and write that one value. Only we have to cancel for the numerator and denominator. That will be for cross or a like straight. Okay. Don't. This is vertically. Okay. So this is vertically and this is cross. Don't cancel horizontally. Horizontally means here 1 and 2 and 1 and 7. Don't cancel like that values. Okay. So that if there are that numerator and denominator values in the same table, then only we have to cancel. Okay. Otherwise don't cancel any values. Just multiply numerator and numerator and denominator and write the number. That is the thing. Okay. So go for the next problem. That is a second main. 4.3 second main. Okay. We'll start the second main now. Where is marker up? Okay. Start second main here. 4.3 right. Second main. What is the second main here? That is the first one. 3 by 8 into 5 by 7. Okay. So here that numerator and denominator not having in the same table. Okay, they are not in the same table. Then what we have to do? We have to multiply the numerator and numerator, and after that we have to multiply denominator and denominator. Right? So here multiply numerator and numerator. What is the answer? That is 3 into 5 is 15, and here 8 into 7 is, what is the 8 into 7? That is 56. Okay. So what is the answer? 15 by 56 is the answer. Let's go for the B one. That is 4 by 7, 21 by 18. Right? So observe properly. 7 and 21 are in the same table. Yes, they are in the same table. So now cancel here. 7 ones are, 7 threes are. And 4 and 8 are in the same table. Then cancel here. 4 ones are, 4 twos are. Okay. What is in the value in the numerator left here? That is 3 and 1 here. 1 into 3 is 3. 1 into 2 is 2. the answer here? 3 by 2 is the answer. 3 by 2 is the answer. Next, seat 1. Seat 1, 1 by 5 into 1 by 4. Okay. So here multiply numerator and numerator, that is 1, and multiply denominator and denominator, that is 5 into 4 is 20. 1 by 20 is the answer. Okay. Go for the next question, that is deep one. What is the deep one here? 3 by 4 into 8 by 9. Okay. 3 by 4 into 8 by 9 here. Observe properly. 4 and 8 are in a same table, and 3 and 9 are in a same table, right? So we can cancel here. That is 4 ones are here, 4 twos are, 3 ones are, 3 threes are. 1 into 2 is 2, 1 into 3 is 3. What is the answer? 2 by 3 is the answer. 2 by 3. Let's go for the 8th one. What is the 8th question here? 7 by 8 into 7 by 3. Whether they are in the same table, see here, 7 are in the same table, but they are both are in a numerator. We can't divide numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. Okay, we can't divide like that. Only we have to divide numerator to denominator value, but both are in a numerator. We can't divide here. Just we have to multiply the numerator and numerator, and after that denominator and denominator. Okay, multiply here. 7 into 7 means 7 7 ka 49. 8 into 3. What is the 8 3s are? That is 24. So what answer we got here? That is the 49 by 24 is the answer. 49 by 24. Next, do the F problem. What is the F one given here? 6 by 5 into 7 by 4. See here, 6 and 4 in the same table. Yes, 6 and 4 is in a 2 table. So cancel here. 2 3s are, and here 2 2s are. What is left in the numerator? 3 into 7. 3 into 7 is 21, and here 5 into 2. 5 2s are 10. What is the answer? 21 by 10 is the answer. 21 by 10. Now go for the next problem. G1. 8 by 9 into 18 by 2. Right? So now cancel the values here. That is 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18. Right? Here 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. What is in the numerator? That is 2 into 2. That is 4. 1 into 1 is 1. What is the answer? 4 by 9. Next last problem in second main. 2 by 9 into 3 by 4. Same. 2 ones are, and here 2 twos are. 3 ones are, 3 threes are. In the numerator, 1 into 1, 1 here, and 3 into 2 is 6. What is the answer? 1 by 6 is the answer. 1 by 6. Okay. So we completed second main also. Now go for the third main. What is the third main they given here? The weight of a packet of a cookies is 3 by 4 kg. Then what is the weight of the 20 packets? Okay. So they given here weight of a one packet. What is that? Packet of a cookies. Cookies ತಿಳಿದಿರಾ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ? ಎಲ್ಲ ತಿಂದಿರ್ತೀರಾ cookies? ಹೌದಾ? ಗುಡ್ಡೆ ಬಿಸ್ಕೆಟ್ ತರನೇ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, that is cookies. Okay. So one packet cookies ಗೆ what is the weight of one packet cookies? That is 3 by 4 kg. Okay. Then what is the weight of the 20 packets? One packet weight is 3 by 4 kg. What is the weight of 20 packets they are asking? So we need to do here multiplication. Okay. weight of one packet cookies. Okay, weight of one packet cookies is, that is 3 by 4 kg. 3 by 4 kg. Now we have to find weight of a 20 packet cookies. That is equal to question mark. So now we need to multiply here by 20. Nothing is there, means in 1 is there. So now do multiplication. 4 and 20 are in the same table. We can cancel, right? So 4 ones are 4 5. What is left in the numerator? 3 and 5. Multiply it. 3 into 5 is 15. 1 into 1 is 1. So what is the answer? 15 by 1 or a 15. Both are correct. 15 by 1 is the answer. Okay. Next, go for the fourth problem. What is the fourth one they given here? To cover a pencil box, 2 by 3rd of a wrapping paper was used. How much paper would be required to cover a 15 pencil boxes? For one pencil box, they need a 2 by 3rd of a wrapping paper. Okay, for only one box. They have a 15 pencil box. Okay, so how much wrapping paper is required to cover that 15 pencil box they are asking. Okay, so here what we have to do? We have to do the multiplication. Okay, so write fourth one. Wrapping paper required for one pencil box is equal to how much? 2 by 3. Okay. Next, we need to find a wrapping paper required for 15 pencil box. 15 pencil box, that is equal to question mark, right? So now do the multiplication. 2 by 3 into 15 by 1 here. 3 ones are 3 5s are. 2 5s are how much? 10 by 1. Okay. So they need a 10 wrapping paper to cover the 15 pencil box, right? Last at the end. Therefore, they need 10 wrapping papers to cover 15 pencil box. Okay, boxes it is 15 pencil boxes. Okay, so we completed, that is a 4.3, right? So in this class 4.3 is completed. In the next class we will see the division of a fraction. Okay, I'll give some homework here. Write the homework. I'll give some problems. Do it rationally. That is a multiplication of fraction only I'll do. Just to have a practice. Homework it is. First one, 2 by 3 into 12 by 2. Second one, 18 by 6 into 5 by 7. Third one, 19 by 4 into 2 by 3. Fourth one, 6 by 7 into 45 by, sorry, 42 by 24. Fifth one, 19 by 8 into 40 by 38. Sixth one, 5 by 6 into 36 by 45. Seventh one, 8 by 9 into 81 by 56. 81 into 2 by 8. Okay, 8 problem, right? Another 2 I give. 9th one I'll write here. Here only. 9th one 86 by 38. 19 by 2. And 10th one is 6 by 8 into 5 by 7. Okay, so this is the homework. I given a 10 problems here. Okay, all are the multiplication of a fraction. Multiply the following. Multiply the following. I given a 10 questions here. Solve every question in the HW. Okay, if they are in the same table, then we can cancel, and next we have to multiply. If there is a no cancellation, then directly multiply numerator and numerator and denominator and denominator and write the product. Okay, so observe properly. Wherever cancellation is there, we need to do the cancellation. Don't multiply simply here. Okay, so that is the thing I told. I solve the exercise number 4.3, right? So similarly I given us some problems here just to have a practice on that. For that reason I given here. So practice all the problems. 10 problems given. Homework is solve exercise number 4.3 in the HW as well as this 10 problems. Both you have to do. That is the homework for you. Okay. We'll continue in the next class. Thank you everyone.